Well, checking in. Yeah, it seems like everybody has had this. Hogarth said he had the dream that there's a shift in consciousness coming in. I had this, the reading I did today said we're birthing something new. It's coming in as well. I guess Ellie had a dream as well. I was last night, it was so crazy. I'm going, really, I'm going, am I getting brain cancer? I mean, seriously. Because the energies were so off and just, visual stuff was coming in that was just crazy time. And I'm literally laying there last night going, am I getting brain cancer? Is that what's coming in? Because my, um, was feeling off center, off grounded. Again, visual craziness coming in, very lightheaded, and just so it was wild last night. So I can't even tell you all the visual images that were coming in last night. But yeah, it was kind of like brains and streams and strings of stuff, and it was really bizarre. I'm like, what in the world is going on? And today I'm still trying to adjust, and it feels like, the energies were shifting, but they weren't coming, just really straightforward. It was kind of like, one of these numbers. It's a, so yeah, very odd. But Hogarth says, yeah, he was having this dream, and there is a big shift in energy, changed into sidereal Aquarius, he said, yeah. And so, yeah. And then the reading I got today, too. Again, birthing something, birth is birthed for the planet. So we all seem to be picking up on the same thing. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, it's just a craziness. And then everybody is writing. We've got, everybody was having something really odd happening. And then, like I said, those that are light are going to have even greater light, but those in the darkness are wigging out, and just like volcanoes going off and mass shootings, and just they can't deal with it. They don't know which way to go. They're imploding. So yeah, just really the mix. And yeah, this is going to be happening for a while. Feeling like, what is that? Is that a big shift? Is it North Pole or South Pole or something? Feeling like, is that like icebergs, ice? Spinning, and then there's some ice, there's some, what is that? I'm going to have to sit and see what comes in. Yeah, it's feeling like there's some sort of a pressure as well, some sort of a pressure. But what's that coming from? Yeah, like a heaviness, a pressure. I'm seeing almost like a pimple. You know, that it's got that like a kind of the infection and ready to not a pleasant image. Yeah, almost like a pimple or a carbuncle or boil or something ready to burst. So it's like toxins or something coming to the surface. Toxins. Um, yeah. It's bringing out the total ugliness of humanity, the stuff that's there. And then it's going to really cause people to want to shift. Yeah, that's what I'm feeling. It's, ah. So we'll have to see, you know, but yeah, definitely. It's kind of like trying to get rid of the toxins and stuff. Um, it's almost like, you know, if you get a wound, you have to clean it, you have to abrade it, you have to get all that stuff out of it. That's what's happening. Whether it's with weather or whether it's with society, it's that process of cleansing. We've gotten so many toxins that stuff is starting to come to the surface. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm going to leave that here. Yeah, not pleasant visuals. That's all I could say. But that's what I feel. It's like a great big huge. Oh, Lord. Oh, that sounds so disgusting. The world is like this big huge zit that's ready to burst. Oh, Lord. Mm. So yeah, if you want to have clean skin and the toxins, you got to clean it up. You got to, you know, watch what you're taking in. It's that same huge, same dynamic and stuff as well coming in. Things are toxic. So yeah, I'm going to leave that here. It just feels like all these toxins are coming to the surface. Yep, because it's time for a cleansing. Now, this is not meant to be doom and gloom. Don't take it that way, okay? Yeah. So that's what I'm feeling. It's a time of cleansing. These toxins are coming up, whether it's people's angst and anxiety, or the earth. These things are bubbling up, and it's time to cleanse. It's time for cleansing. And you need to get rid of the toxins before you can cleanse, okay? So that's what the process is. What it's feeling now is this stuff is bubbling up and coming to the surface. And abrading the wound, okay? So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you online. And hopefully next time something more pleasant comes through, because that was not something where you really want to be staying in touch with that energy at the moment. Yuck.